Busy body, busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna?
Hey everybody, it's your girl Sweet and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I achieve this look. I call this feedings for kids, a quick protective style, something simple and easy, an hour tops. If you haven't already yet, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And we're going to get straight into this little cutie little girl. Alright guys, I'm starting my foundation braid. I'm just going to start from the top of her head and work my way around. The part doesn't have to be straight because we're going to go right back over it with some edge control. You guys can use whatever edge control you guys want to use, but I decided to use this one because I ran out of the one I normally used. But all you're going to do is put the edge control on the part itself and work your way around. This part right here is pretty simple. I suggest you use a metal back comb for this. This is the key of straight parting, guys. You have to use some type of stick edge control. Gel won't work, nothing else won't work. Edge control is because it's sticky and it lays down. This is the key of straight parting, guys. I guarantee this is gonna help your whole life. Right here, I'm just, pushing up the edge control where I want the braid to sit at. It's easier for you to braid. And there we are. Alright guys, right here I am parting her hair in two separate ponytails. I'm going to start with the bottom half first, just because it's easier. Alright guys, right here all I'm doing is separating in two sides, just making two sides of her head, if that makes sense. And then just repeat the process of putting the edge control and making your straight part. Right here, I'm just parting her braid to the side as like it's going into a feed-in style. I'm just repeating the process. I'm putting the edge control, trying to get that part straight as best as I can. I'm a beginner braider, so my braids are not going to look as good as others, but it gets us by. Yeah, I be looking so concentrated. Is that the word, concentrated? Hell no. I be looking focused. I would do stuff a million times before I even start something. And my baby hair is so like curly, it be giving me a hard time. So this edge control is saving her life right now. Saving my life, yeah. All right, now this is the finishing of the bag. All right, next part. All right, so now we at the top and we're just gonna continue to curve the part around. Bring it around town. Let me stop. But yes, look at how this part is. I just love the fact that
Boy, you make me feel so alive.
so nice. right, guys, we are all done and my baby is looking fly. We got these braids together. We tried to get these parts together. We just did this together. Okay, guys, this is my first attempt on feedings on my little girl, and I absolutely love it. She looks beautiful. If you guys like what you guys see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
This one I do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did da. Dada cover my face, calling me la ba. Biggie man with